Your best dollar spent in a fleet is maintenance. Doing a little bit too much will always save you more money in the end.
Really, the problem comes when people undermanage their maintenance programs on their fleets.
Heavy equipment is usually recommended at 250 hours, same with forklifts. I've had customers who have needed to have it done once a month based on their usage.
Always follow your manufacturer's suggestions for maintenance on the various pieces. A lot of people will go with 90 days, they'll go with 60 days, go with 30 days, depending on the quantity of hours or miles that are being put on their piece of equipment.